Hey guys, still trying to make traditional budgeting work in this year? Quicken Simplify has moved away from rigid envelopes and towards a flexible spending plan. And today I'm showing you how to set up your budget so you always know exactly what's safe to spend without the headache of manual tracking. So to begin, navigate to the Spending Plan tab. This year, Simplify has refreshed this layout for better navigation. Start with your income. Simplify automatically detects your paycheck, but the new advanced rules now let you set powerful if-then conditions. For example, you can tell Simplify, if a deposit is under 50, then exclude it from my budget. This keeps your plan focused only on your reliable recurring income. Next, check your bills and subscriptions. Simplify scans your transactions to find recurring costs. This year, the Bill Connect feature is faster than ever, pulling real-time data from over 16,000 institutions. If you see a subscription you don't use, flag it right there in the app. Simplify subtracts these committed costs from your income first, ensuring your bills are always covered before you see your spending limits. And for variable costs like groceries or gas, you can use planned spending. So just click on Add Category and set your target. The big update this year is the improved rollover logic. You can now enable rollovers for specific categories, allowing unspent money from last month to automatically pad your budget for this month. This is perfect for those everything else categories that fluctuate throughout the year. And lastly, if you want to keep a close eye on a specific habit, like coffee or Amazon hauls, set up a watch list. This isn't full budget, but a personalized alert system. And this is how you master your money with Quicken Simplify. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about having a plan that rolls with the punches. That's it for this one, guys. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and of course, see you in the next one.